Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to change your Hotmail password, a simple task that takes less than 5 minutes. Keeping your credentials updated is a vital security measure to protect your personal information from unauthorized access. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Outlook login page. Signing in is the first step to accessing your account's management features. Once you arrive at the page, click the Sign In button. Enter your login details as prompted to verify your identity and access your inbox. Once you are in your inbox, locate your profile picture in the top right corner and click it to open the account gateway. Next, select the option labeled My Microsoft Account. This will open a new page featuring various settings for your Microsoft services. Look for the Security tab at the top of the screen and click it. This section is critical for managing your password and other safety settings like two-factor authentication. Inside the Security tab, find and select the Change Password option. You will likely be asked for extra verification to ensure you are the one making these changes. You will be directed to a page where you must enter your current password. This step is necessary to confirm your identity before any modifications occur. So have your current password ready and type it into the designated field. After that, it is time to create a new password. Aim for a robust and memorable combination using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Once you have decided, type the new password into the appropriate box. You will then need to re-enter it to confirm there are no typos. Consistency here is essential to avoid login issues later. Finally, click the Save button to complete the update. Your new password is now active, significantly boosting your account's security. Remember to store this information safely and avoid using the same password across different platforms. That is all there is to it. You have successfully updated your Hotmail credentials. Regularly changing your passwords is a smart habit that keeps your data safe. Thank you for following this tutorial, and feel free to use this guide whenever you need to refresh your security in the future.